Okay. So our website, the wireframe looks like this. We have a logo. We have the add this marketing tool. We have an image over here which scrolls. It's not flash based, right? It may not be jQuery because apparently jQuery does not go well with SEO. Okay, so it scrolls with our awards, our latest work, our best work. It scrolls. We have a whole set of our design is content led. Anything to do with brand strategy, brand positioning, brand consulting, brand building, brand logos, right? New brands. So it's completely design led. The layout is going to be like that. These are also our header tags because it's going to be responsive on any device. So as you scroll down, our header tag is going to be brand positioning, what work we have done on brand positioning, on brand consulting, on brand strategy, what we can do for the clients, right? Apart from that, we also promote this on blog. So we have an image of the blog over here. Image, what are the latest blog? The image, we're going to have the intro for the blog, and then the older blogs as well. We have a case study. We have a YouTube channel where all our older case studies are there. Our latest case study is going to be here. Because we're going to generate a lot of revenue through this website because of the meta tags and the header tags that we have, we also generate revenue with AdSense, right? And then
in terms of the technical aspect for the website, first and foremost is the website is responsive.
Awesome.
So it opens up in all the devices.
Very good.
That's first thing. Second thing is in terms of the design, it will be Twitter Bootstrap based.
Okay.
So there is no issue in terms of the designer designing the whole website. So the cost automatically comes down. Then the load time of the website will be around 2 to 3 seconds.
Perfect.
Then we will be using header tags,
Yeah.
H1, H2, H3, because in terms of SEO it's very important. Then we will be using static URLs. We try avoiding Flash, we try avoiding jQuery
Yeah.
as much as possible.
Perfect.
Then images will have relevant file names. Then
Images would be relevant.
yeah, it will be relevant.
and the file names will be based on brand because that is our
Correct.
keyword, right? And then the social media thing, promotion, Preeti will take you through.
Then,
So-
Okay.
apart from that, we will also be having the Google Analytics added on to this,
Awesome.
so that we can actually see what all is happening, who is actually going through our websites, and we'll try to push it in terms of organic search from the Google point of view. Apart from that, we also have the add this thing, wherein
Correct.
all the SEO stuffs are available.
Correct.
And apart from that, we could also have the Facebook iframes and all those things embedded as a open pop-up, which is not actually a new window.
Correct.
It is within the page itself as a layer.
Perfect. Perfect.
With regard to promoting it, we'll obviously promote it on all the channels, starting off with blogs, because everything that's been done before, it can be just previous case studies, it can be articles, all of it will be mentioned on blogs with images. And we said we'll be having case studies on YouTube as well. Those YouTube videos will also be promoted on blogs, and on Facebook we'll be promoting the blogs and the usebook. So and YouTube. So actually all the social media channels will be promoting one another and indirectly promoting the website. Yeah. Apart from that, we will obviously have the Twitter posts promoting all this as well, and in Pinterest we'll have all the rich images leading directly to the website. LinkedIn, I don't have time to write that in, and so we'll obviously have LinkedIn as well. So
That's the amount of time a client gives you.
Thank you. Main client, IBM.
So yes, we'll have LinkedIn as well, talking about all the case studies, which will be a rich media for us.
Yeah, Twitter will have daily updates on what we're doing, everyday work. Kind of say Madhav has gone to meet a new client and he's going to build his brand. Brand always comes in because that's a keyword.
Perfect.
It's always there.
So you guys are applying for a contest, a quarterly. What is a quarterly moolah kind of thing? If you're running a promotion so big,
We have AdSense LinkedIn.
yeah, that's for your inflow,
Inflow, right?
right?
We have the browser also.
You have bloggers. So are you planning to promote a quarterly contest
So
for your
yeah, we
users?
can look at having a contest which will mostly be for bloggers to blog about
To
this,
blog
which
about
will
this, yes.
actually draw attention from various,
We were even talking about,
because they blog about it on their sites.
Perfect.
So a blogging contest will be ideal.
Your
for a
MBA
scenario
guy
like
just
that.
coming and writing about brand, we give a platform for them,
Perfect.
so we're talking about that. So,
So brilliant, very nice. I like even the website, the way it is getting designed. I can see that future. Responsive. The plan is awesome. We're doing the homepage. Branding takes it off. Awesome. Any questions, guys? Anything?
Yeah, in there.
Looks like the new website is designed here.
thank you.
No, all the three